Fresh fish today? Just caught this morning. I'll take two. Early in the morning, she steps outside her small mud house. Clay pots rest quietly and the village feels peaceful and still. Today, I will cook something special for my family. These fresh gourds will make a delicious dish. Namaste. Fresh fish just caught this morning.
They look wonderful. I'll take two.
This one looks perfect. He will enjoy it. A good meal after his long day. Now for the tomatoes and spices. Let it all cook slowly together.
The fields are ready.
And I have something warm for you.
It smells wonderful. Life is slow here.
And love lives in these moments.
Yes, with honest food. This is not just cooking.
This is village life.